National Database and Registration Authority. The first question here is National Database and Registration Authority has tracked over Pakistanis who have registered themselves as Afghan refugee. So the correct option here is 10,000. The next question, the data collected by the Nadra to issue national identity cards are, we call it primary data. The third question, when Nadra was established, it was established March 10, 2000. Fourth question, National Database and Registration Authority was established as National Database Organizations in Attached Department under the Ministry of Interior Government of Pakistan in 1998. Question 5. Which department is planning to use its online system for transparent scrutiny of candidates for general elections of 2018? So, the correct answer is ECP, Election Commission of Pakistan. Question 6. Who is the current chairman of Nadra? So, this time it was Tariq Malik. Appointed is for 3 years. Question 7. Who is the director of Nadra? Zulfikar Ahmed. Question 8. CRC, Child Registration Certificate, is also known as B form. Motto of Nadra, Empowerment through Identity. Its empowerment through identity is the Nadra motto. Question 18. Headquarters is in Islamabad. The Nadra headquarters is situated in Islamabad. Question 11. Nadra is codified under the Desh Constitution of Pakistan, Second Amendment. Question 12. Under which federal minister Nadra is worked? Minister of Interior. Question 13. CNIC 13 digits. First 5 based on locality. Next 7 are serial numbers and the last digit is check digit. Even numbers for females and are for males. So the most important here is that even number is for females and odd number is for males. What is verices? To verified issue CNIC. Verices mean to verified issue CNIC. Nadra aims to replace all issued CNIC with Smart National Identity Card by the year 2020. Question 17. Juvenile card issues to children under the age of 18, chip-based card. Question 18. NICOP National Identity Card for Overseas Pakistanis. NIS stands for National Identification System. Question 20. BVC stands for Biometric Verification System. CRMS stands for Civil Registration Management System. Question 2022. POC stands for Pakistan Origin Card. Question 23. FRC stands for Family Registration Certificate.